we ended up replacing a failed French drain that wasn't burrito wrapped with a curtain French drain. And I wanted to show you guys some of the different things that we were dealing with here. So the backyard is higher and the water runs towards the house. We see this a lot in our business, and this might be something that you're dealing with at your house. We have a lot of subscribers, and you're always looking for something to compare to your yard so you know how to combat it. A curtain French drain is one that goes around the house. A perimeter French drain is the one that goes along your fence line, and it runs the boundaries so you're grabbing up your neighbor's water too. So in this case, we just need a curtain drain. Water's getting in this house because it comes down that hill, finds its way into the garage, into the home. So we went ahead and we did one of our burrito wrapped systems around this home, did a nice curtain French drain. Now, I wanted to catch all that water that was coming off that back hill, so I kept that back hill an open French drain, and then, you know, down the side here, we just went ripping with our regular burrito wrapped, grass grown over it system. You see that black pipe to the right that we had to remove? That was a job that somebody did without wrapping their stone. It wasn't a wrapped system. And I keep telling you guys, look, as soon as you put a pipe in the ground, pour stone on top of the dirt with no fabric, you just gave your system an early expiration date, opposed to building something that's going to last forever. All right, everybody. Until that next video.